was over there editing. I don't know what world he was in. Have no clue. But I'm over here splitting this thing, and you know, he's like editing on, and all of a sudden I get it apart, and he goes, what? What's this? And I'm like, dude, this is the case. This is what we're using.
I don't know where I got confused, but I thought he was tearing apart the 05 block.
Which is a piece of shit.
Which is irrelevant. So I thought he was doing irrelevant ass shit. So I'm just over here editing, I'm like, okay. And then he's like, no, this is the 706 block. As I'm looking, I'm literally drawing in editing, I'm drawing a circle over the 706 right now. And that's where it all clicked in my head to even say something.
Okay, so yeah, all that aside, this is our brand new block. This is what we're gonna be sending out to Outfront like tomorrow, at the latest Monday. Like we need to get it out ASAP, because they're about 4 to 6 weeks out. So I ended up getting this from a buddy. Found out that it was just a rod bearing failure on number 1, right? You can hear that. None of these other rods do that. So this is totally irrelevant to the block. Like totally irrelevant. Because the new block is gonna have a billet crankshaft, new rods, new bearings, new pistons, all that. So it doesn't even matter. The good news is that the main journals, all the main journals are good. And no spun bearings in there or anything like that. It was however 2020 maybe, I think. He said maybe like 5,000 miles. So again, it came apart really well. But pretty much at this point, all we need to do is just pop out the pistons, clean this up, get it packaged up, get it sent out. So no ringland failure issue. All the pistons and the sleeves are all good. Just a crankshaft rod bearing issue. So the cases should be perfect, which I'm super excited about. That shit real good. I can understand why they charge you $200 freaking.
Hans labor ain't cheap, fam.
Ain't nothing free, baby.
We got a surprise for you guys. I'll give somebody a ride along if they can guess in the comments what this is right The parts the master.
Alright, that's good enough. That's it. Be there, be square.